What if you could launch your own AI-powered SaaS product today with user login, a real database, Stripe payments, and an actual AI tool inside, without writing a single line of code? I'm not talking about a demo. I'm not talking about a prototype. I'm talking about a live, revenue-ready product that people can sign up for and pay you every single month. I just built one, and I'm about to show you exactly how I did it. Let's dive in. Look, here's the thing. SaaS, software as a service, is one of the best business models ever created. You build something once, and people pay you for it every month. That's recurring revenue. That's financial freedom. But here's the problem. Building a SaaS product traditionally means you need a front-end developer, a back-end developer, a database engineer, a payment integration specialist, and months of time. Most people give up before they even start. But what if you didn't need any of that? What if you had an entire AI development team, a product manager, an architect, an engineer, a researcher, an SEO specialist, all working together, right in your browser, delivering a production-ready SaaS product in minutes? That's exactly what Atoms does. And after spending serious time testing this platform, I can tell you, this is not like anything else out there. And today, I'm going to walk you through building a real AI-powered SaaS tool using Atoms. Step by step, live on screen. All right, I'm on atoms.dev right now. You'll find the link in the description below. They have a free plan, so you can follow along without spending anything. When you land on the homepage, you'll see a clean prompt interface. This is where everything starts. But before I type a single prompt, let's see the interface. Here at the top of the prompt box, you will find some avatars. They are basically your teammates. Mike is the team leader who leads the team. After that, Adrian is the ads specialist. Sarah is SEO specialist. Ema is product manager. Bob is architect. Alex is the engineer. Davis is data analyst. And Iris is deep researcher. It's like having a full production team in your pocket. Okay, to create anything, we need to research the market. So I will use Iris first. Let me see how. I'm entering. Research the market for an AI legal document generator for freelancers and startups. Identify demand, competitors, pricing models, and gaps in the market. After entering the prompt, click on the plus icon from here. You will find several options. You can enable team mode, add attachment, add connectors, and enable the deep research mode. I will enable deep research. Now hit the send button, and here it is. You can see that Iris takes action as she is the deep researcher. And watch this. Iris is now running a full structured market analysis. Look at this output. It's pulling real data. Competitor analysis, tools like Ironclad, DocuSign, LegalZoom, pricing benchmarks. Most tools charge between $19 and $129 per month. And here's the gap it identified. Most existing tools are built for enterprises, not for solo freelancers and small startups who need fast, affordable legal documents without a lawyer. That's our opportunity. That's our SaaS idea. Validated by data, not just gut feeling. This is what separates products people actually pay for from ones that nobody uses. All right, now let's build. I'm going back to the main interface. Here's what I'm going to create: an AI legal document generator for freelancers and startups. Now, a few things to set up before I hit send. First, mode. I'm selecting team mode. Team mode is to enable multi-agent collaboration for advanced tasks. That means all the agents will work for us as a team and build our app. After that, you can attach files to the project if you want. Next, you can connect apps like Supabase, Stripe, GitHub, and others to your project. We need to connect Stripe for this project. We will do it later. In the end, we have deep research and race mode. I don't need these at this moment. Now the prompt. I'm going to use what Atoms calls a method A prompt. One detailed paragraph that covers everything. Here it is. Build a subscription-based AI legal document generator SaaS for freelancers and startups. Marketing site with home, features, and pricing pages showing 3 tiers. Starter at $19 per month for 10 documents. Business at $49 per month for 40 documents, and Enterprise at $129 per month for unlimited documents. Full user authentication with login and sign up. Stripe recurring subscription checkout. After payment, redirect users to a protected workspace where they can select a document type, NDA, employment contract, consulting agreement, IP agreement, or SaaS terms. Fill in their details and generate a full legal document using DeepSeek AI. Save document history to the database. User dashboard showing subscription status, renewal date, documents generated, and billing history. Design: high trust fintech aesthetic, black, white, and deep green palette. Strong serif headings, no blue or purple. Auto decide all unstated UI details. After entering the prompt, select the building mode. Here, build is to create a comprehensive project automatically, and the goal is to plan the project and then build the project step by step. I am selecting build and send. And here we go. Watch what happens now. The AI team is activating. Mike, the team leader, is breaking down the entire project into tasks and coordinating the agents. Once the plan is ready, team leader Mike asks Alex, the engineer, to set up the back-end infrastructure for the app. Once it's done, it will start creating the app and start writing the actual code. Look at this split screen. On the left, you can see the terminal, real back-end work happening live. On the right, the front end is being built in real time. This is not a mock-up. This is actual code being written right now by your AI team. The authentication system is going up. The database tables are being created. The Stripe subscription logic is being wired in. The protected workspace route is being configured, meaning only paying subscribers can access the AI tool. The DeepSeek API integration is being set up for document generation. The marketing pages are being styled. And it's done. Look at the time. That's your SaaS product, built from a single prompt. Let me walk you through what was just created. First, this is the app homepage. Clean, professional, high-trust design. Exactly the kind of landing page that makes people pull out their credit card. There's a hero section with a strong headline, a features section, and a pricing page with 3 tiers: starter, business, and enterprise, each with a subscribe button. Now, to actually subscribe to an account, we need to set up the Stripe account, and you can see that the agent is asking us to set up the Stripe account. So click here and then add your Stripe account credentials. Okay, our account is ready. Now let's have a look at the app we created. Okay, let's create an account. Once the account is ready, we are ready to go. As I set up a free trial, we can try this app for free. Let's create a document. I am going to the workspace. Here you can see some document types. Let's say I want to create a non-disclosure agreement. So I am selecting this option. Now we have to enter some basic information, like the disclosing party, receiving party, purposes, duration, jurisdiction, etc. Just the basic information. And here it is. The document is ready. It's well formatted and documented. The content is really detailed. It has everything an NDA needs, and all are generated from just some basic information. It's worth buying. Now let's create an employment contract. Like before, we need to enter some information. Just enter who is the employer, who is the employee, designation, compensation, and others. Our app will create a perfect employment contract like this. This is amazing. Okay, so the app is not just a prototype at all. It's a perfectly working SaaS app. It has everything an app needs. Now let's see if the subscription is working. I'm clicking subscribe on the starter plan. Now I'm on the Stripe checkout page. This is real Stripe. I'm going to test it with a virtual card. And success! I'm now a paying subscriber. Now, if anyone buys a subscription, you will get paid via Stripe. No need for any other gateways. This is amazing. Okay, most AI tools stop at the front end. They give you a pretty interface and call it done. Adam's built the entire backend, the database, the authentication, the payment processing, the subscription gating, the API integration, everything that makes this a real business, not just a demo. Now I want to show you one more thing, race mode. Up here in the interface, I can activate race mode. What this does is assign multiple AI teams to build your project in parallel, different models competing simultaneously. And you pick the best result. Instead of hoping the AI gets it right on the first try, you get multiple versions and choose the winner. Adams claims this delivers 45% better results at 80% lower cost. And from what I've seen, that tracks. For a SaaS product where quality really matters, where your users are paying you every month, race mode is a game changer. Alright, let's publish this thing. I'm clicking the publish button, and there it is, a live URL, a real publicly accessible SaaS product on the internet. Let me do a final end-to-end test on the live link. This is a real product. Now let's talk about the business side for a second, because this is what really matters. You just watched me build an AI legal document generator. Let's say you charge $19 a month for the starter plan. You get 100 subscribers. That's $1,900 a month in recurring revenue. 500 subscribers? That's $9,500 a month, and you built the entire product in under 15 minutes. Now obviously, getting subscribers takes marketing and effort, but the point is, the product is done. The hardest part is already handled. You can focus entirely on growing your audience and acquiring customers, because Adams took care of everything else. And this isn't just for legal documents. You could build an AI content generator for marketers, an AI resume builder for job seekers, an AI meal planner for fitness coaches, an AI email writer for sales teams. Any vertical, any niche. Same process, same result. This is not a vibe coding tool. This is a vibe business platform. Adams has a free plan where you can start building and testing right now. Paid plans unlock race mode, faster builds, more projects, and advanced features like the SEO agent and Google Ads automation, which means once your product is live, Adams can even help you get customers. The link is in the description below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. And if you want more tutorials like this, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss what's coming next. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, go build something amazing.